Hi, Jerry. I'm from Bloomfield, Michigan. I had the second partial knee replacement just yesterday. First one was on the right knee, and now I'm having the left knee done, and finished up with it at about 10:30 last night. So I'm doing well. Walked into the office today after a great experience. Really, it's the second one, and it was just as easy as the first one. The pain that I first experienced was in the left knee, and I had a meniscus clean out and treatment, and that seemed to take care of things for a year or two. And then I was in Europe, stumbled on a cobblestone in Paris, and just felt a little tweak in the right knee. Well, by the time I got back home, it turned out it was a major compound tear in the meniscus. So it was impeding our travel. We weren't traveling nearly as much as we were. And finally it got to the point where we had a trip to Africa scheduled, and it had gotten so bad I had to cancel that, which since that was my wife's dream trip, I hated to do that. So I said, something's got to be done. Finally decided I had to have the replacement, and of course all the doctors all want to do full replacements. Saw a number of doctors on partial replacement, and found that couldn't find anybody who'd had a lot of experience. And then I got a diagnosis that I needed 2 compartments done instead of 1. And when I started searching for anybody with experience in doing 2, only one name kept appearing across the internet, and that was Dr. Buechel. I had no pain during the surgery whatsoever. Woke up, you have a little pain when you first wake up, but that quickly goes away. I ended up walking out of the hospital both times. We had the treatment at Lenox Hill. In terms of the next morning, it was pretty much the same. I was walking around without a cane, without a walker. I took a cane to go for my first post-op visit, which was just an hour ago, and had absolutely no problem with the cane, and very little pain whatsoever. I have already recommended him to numerous people, and it was funny, I was in seeing my cardiologist right before the trip, and he was complaining about knee pain, and he said, I can't find anybody who does a partial knee replacement near here that's done very many of them. And I said, I've got just the guy for you. And I said, Dr. Buechel is just the guy, you gotta see him.